546 horsepower with the 35 1250s from Turo. 453 pound-feet of torque. So very interesting results. We actually gained torque over the 33s, go figure. A very small amount, only 7 foot-pounds. But if you pay attention to the torque curve here, or lack thereof, it is basically identical to the 33s. Very small differences throughout the entire curve. In fact, they're kind of passing each other throughout the pool, which I thought was pretty interesting. We did lose horsepower, and that's kind of what I expected. Even though it was a small amount of weight,